Hello guys, I'm Pearl and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna open these. I already removed the plastic as always. So don't mind these because I'm just doing it to something blah blah blah. Okay, whatever. So let's just open this first. I'm just gonna put these on the side. Ooh. Just so excited about this. I mean, I hope it doesn't stick here. But hard, guys. These are one of the slimes from my previous videos. I don't know. Okay, it doesn't stick. Good. Now just gotta take this off. Take this. Ooh, this is ow! I can't even pick it up, and it's so sticky. Ooh, this is so cool. Wait, let me bring it a bit here. Ooh. Can you please stop with the camera? Oh my god. This is so cool. I mean, I don't know if I should mix it. Wow. Just wow. Yep, it sticks. Oh. Just flippity. The hell? Can I please? Good thing this was in the Dollar Tree store because I was so wanting this. Oh, it doesn't stick. Yay. So guys, this is clear. First I saw it. I thought it was gray, but nope. It was clear. Oh gosh. Okay. I just can't stop playing with this because like it's super duper fun. Okay, let's just put it back. I mean, guys, wait. Guys, look at the cap. It's totally gray. But whatever. Let's not talk about it. How? Okay, just kidding. So this is the blue one. I mean, I'm so excited about this. Oh gosh. It's already sticking to me, guys. I'm gonna explain me what's going on right now. It's like literally sticking to me. I mean, the first two slimes were sticking to me too. I mean, you know, first I kind of opened it and I couldn't even touch it. I mean, I just wanted to feel. I was just too excited, guys. Sorry. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh. Whoopsies. The heck are you doing? Whatever. So my dad is like just playing with my clear slime. I mean, I hope he gets it. I mean, oh, get out of there, cockroach. Whatever. Okay, whatever. Okay, so this is like so cool and it's kind of melting. Oh gosh. It's like just sticking to me. Okay. This is so fun. Yeah, I hope it doesn't stick to this. I mean, what's going on here? The hell? This is like totally sticking to me. I probably have to wash. I mean, wash. Okay, I have to say that correctly. I mean, I don't know how to say wash. Okay, I actually do. So, I don't know how, I literally have to wash my hands after this video. Because, like, it's, like, literally sticking to me. I mean, guys, I'm not going to show my face in this video. I'm so done with this slime. It's, oh gosh, it's neon. So let's just put it back on its original place. You go right here, buddy. I'll be back for you soon after this video. Gosh, oh no. No! Guys, I literally have to wash my hands after this. I'm just gonna do my... Okay. Wow. This is cool. Okay, whatever. I don't know why there was a silence at the kind of. If some slime sticks to you, just like this. Whatever. I'm just gonna let my hand be like this. Okay, so time for some green. Ooh, what are you doing? Just put the. This is cool. I mean, I gave this 1 out of 10. Okay, just kidding. It's 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. These are actually cool. No. I don't know why did I did that. I think I did that to test. What? Stop. Whatever. So that this is the slime of green. Color of green. What am I saying right now, guys? I literally don't know what I'm saying right now. Insane. Ooh. I so have to wash my hands after this video. I mean, comment down below which one did you think was the stickiest and which one did you think was the goodest. I think the stickiest was the blue and the green, and the nicest was clear. These all I like neon except clear. Guys, do you think clear has neon? I mean, I don't think so. These was all those kind of slimes left. So, I don't know how I feel. Oh, there was a bubble. I love bubble. So, it's time to put this back. And that was it. That's all the slimes. Hey. Okay, it's kind of dripping off. Guys, I so have to wash my hands after this. Whatever. So guys, that was it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy it. Gosh. time. Bye. 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 Bye, guys. Bye.